The Pontiac G8 is a performance platform that can benefit from a performance exhaust. Let's check out how you can boost performance and get that great pipe sound. The Pypes long tube header kit consists of 1 3/4" primary tubes dumping into 3-inch merge collectors. The headers connect to our high flow catalytic converters and 2.5-inch mid pipes that feature an X pipe for scavenging. This kit is designed to bolt up to both factory and Pypes Axlebacks. Choose HDR 140 SK for our long tube header kit. The SGG60VS and SGG61VS unleash a nice, aggressive tone with our violator mufflers. Available with oval or splitter tips in polished 304 stainless steel or black powder coated as part of our Phantom series. Installation takes 20 minutes. These Axlebacks fit the stock G8 exhaust and are a perfect complement to our long tube header kit. Choose SGG60VS for oval tips and SGG61VS for splitter tips. Add the letter B to the end of the part number for Phantom Black. Don't want to install headers, but want more power gains than just an Axleback? Our stainless 2.5-inch CatBack system fits the bill. Available with oval or splitter tips in polished 304 stainless steel or Phantom Black. This X-pipe based system uses our most aggressive violator mufflers. Choose SGG62V for oval tips and SGG63V for splitter tips. Add the letter B to the end of the part number for Phantom Black. The header kit and Axleback will give you the most power and sound, or you can install our CatBack system for something more mature. Another option, build your system starting with the Pypes Axleback. That'll unlock some sound and leave you with the option to upgrade later. Get your Pontiac G8 Pypes equipped today.